we are going to see how to create single value tuple. The single value tuple means the tuple which is having single data item. So that is called single value tuple. So now we know that for creation of tuple, so whenever you are creating tuple, there are round brackets. So round brackets are not mandatory, but whenever we are creating tuple, so we are using round brackets. So now for example, I want to create here single value tuple which is containing 100, right? So now we are thinking it is a tuple because we have used here round brackets, but it is not a tuple. So we will check that. So print, so we will check its data type. So first we will print its value t as t, and data type so we have to use type function in Python to check data type. So now if I run this, so now it is giving t is equal to 100 and data type is int, right? So now here it is not considering it as a tuple, it is considering single value or single integer object, that is 100 it is considering. It is not considering it as a tuple. See here, in tuple round brackets are not mandatory, so it is considering it like this, right? So now I want to create single value tuple. So how to create? So for creation of single value tuple, you have to give here one comma. So with this now it is considered as a tuple, right? So now if I run this, so now it is giving t is equal to this and data type is tuple, right? So now in this way you have created one single value tuple which is containing 100 as a value. So now I will create another tuple here, t1 is equal to, which is having single value. For example, I am taking here Pune. So now this is single value tuple. So we know that round brackets are not mandatory in Python for tuple. So now I haven't given here round brackets, still it is considered as a tuple. So now I have taken here another example for one string. So if I run this, so I am getting here, so this t1, it is Pune, so it is considering only it is considering it as a tuple because we have given here comma. It is a tuple which is containing single string data item and data type is class tuple. So in this way you can create single value tuple. You have to give comma and then it will consider it as a single value tuple.